Hi, fart faces! It's me, BevB. Today I'm going to be opening a gift that was sent to me from Meriah, aka Crazy Diamonds. I'll put her link in the description below to her channel, and it's from Lexy Lily Crafts. Lexy Lily Crafts is a 3D printing company out of the USA, and I'm very excited because I've never ordered from them. Please ignore my nails. They're beautiful. I know. I just got them done at the salon. Thank you so much for all the compliments. If you're new here, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I post new videos about diamond painting on an almost daily basis. So let's open this up. Got my trusty scissors. I'm really excited. Thank you so much, Meriah, for sending this to me. Let's see what goodies we have in here. I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. Ooh, a sucker. What is this? A butterscotch dum-dum. I've never had a dum-dum before, but I really like butterscotch. Oh my god. This looks really good. And it's called a dum-dum. Like, you dum-dum. More candy. Some Tootsie Rolls. I really like these. I hope Clayton doesn't like these, so I'll eat all of them. I don't have to share with him, right? Then we have our invoice, which I'm going... Oh, here we go. Meriah sent a little note. Hey BevB, I seen these on Gem and Jess and finally found them on the site. I thought you may enjoy a few as well. So that's really nice. Thank you, Meriah. I've added a couple curve placers, which are our specialty. I hope you enjoy them. Thanks, Tracy at Lexy Lily Crafts. So a 5 placer, which is pink bubblegum, 10 placer, which is blue silk. And then here is the information for Lexy Lily Crafts. I will put the information in the description box below so you can check them out. That's really nice. They added an extra placers. Wow. Okay. Thank you for our purchase of our curved multi-placer from Lexy Lily Crafts. There are a lot of different pens out there and it's hard to do a one-size-fits-all tip. So if your tip fits your pen, great. If not, you can wrap washi tape around the shaft before putting it into your pen. This will give you a nice snug fit. Okay, cool. Okay, so let us open this up. Get rid of this staple here. Okay, staple be gone. I'm a staple remover. Wow. So, Meriah got me a purple, gray, and black tip. I think this black one would look really good in this pen actually. So let's take out this single placer from this pen. Come on! This is my pen from Daft Designs, a Canadian company. It's beautiful. Would a black one or would a purple one? No, let's use the black one. So we'll put the black one in. The black one fits perfectly. So as you can see, they're 3D printed and then there's a brass tip in them. I think that looks really good, minus this side now. It's so ugly. Wow, cool. I've never had a 3D printed single tip. Well, actually I have, I think. No, I haven't had a single tip that's 3D printed. That's so neat. And then let's put on one of these multi-placers. So here's the 10 placer in blue silk. Very silky. And here is the 5 placer in pink bubblegum. So what we'll do is we'll remove this 4 placer. It was getting old anyway. And then we'll put in the pink one. So this one kind of just goes in, but it just falls out. So I'm going to take some washi tape. Let's use this washi tape. I'm going to wrap washi tape around it so that there's a tighter fit in the shaft. I need to grow up. Okay. So we're wrapping washi tape around the shaft. There we have some washi tape, and now we'll put it in the hole. Put the shaft in the hole and we'll see if if it fits properly. So a tighter fit, which is good. You can move it around just a little bit, just enough. And now I'm ready to multi-place. Okay, so let's try these tips out. I'm going to put the rest of these in the bag here, and then I'm going to put them on my pens after I'm done filming this video, because that's awesome. Thank you so much, Meriah, and thank you, Lexy Lily Crafts. I have my trusty crystal tray that you might have seen an unboxing for, or if you haven't yet, either on my channel or it is coming soon. This is a Canadian company. The tray, I mean. So we'll use the multiplacer. And it's weird because it's curved. So that's neat. So you kind of just rock it. Oops. Okay. And then we'll try out the tip. Oops. I already failed at diamond painting today. Okay. So the 3D printed tip acts much like a regular diamond painting tip, except it's black and pretty. Is there any other multi-placers? Wonder if you can just, so this is a 5-placer. I'm just gonna get rid of the excess putty. I wonder if you can just do 3, there's a spot down here for 3 drills, so let's just put 3 drills on the curved multi-placer and see how that performs. Yeah, that's pretty good. I could get used to using a curved multi-placer. But yeah, I really like these tips. I think they'll be awesome. The one question that I do have is I wonder how easy it is to wear down these tips. So similar to this tip, see how it has those ridges in it, like the imprints from the drills, like at the top here? I wonder how long it will take for me to get those ridges in the top here on these ones. So just a curiosity, a question. But yeah, I'm really happy with them. I'm excited to try them out. Let's make a little thumbnail for us. Thank you so much to Meriah for sending me these tips. They're really cool. I'm excited to try out the 10-placer, and I'm excited to put the other single placers in my other diamond painting pens. If you want to check out Lexy Lily Crafts, here's the information again, but I will put the information in the description box. And make sure you check out Meriah's channel. She's so awesome and she's funny, and I love her personality. If you're new here, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I post new videos on a regular basis, and I will see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye!